I used to commute to work on a city bus, and one day the guy next to me was watching a movie on his phone. Next thing I know, I'm watching the movie on this guy's phone. But there was one small problem: I couldn't hear it. He had headphones on, of course, so all I got was a silent picture, which means I couldn't really track with the storyline. Because to follow a movie, you need more than just the video, you need the audio to explain the video. Well, this may sound strange, but the same applies to the amazing miracles Jesus performed in the Bible. Sometimes we just watch them. Whoa, Jesus did something amazing. But if we don't listen to what they're telling us, we can actually miss the point. At the beginning of the Gospel of Mark, it says that Jesus traveled throughout Galilee, preaching in the synagogues and driving out demons. Now, we hear that and go, that sounds incredible. Jesus casting out demons, like what a display of power. But it's more than a mere display of his power. It's also a display of his heart. If we put on the headphones and listen to this miracle, we hear God saying that he's come to drive out the darkness in this world. He's come to defeat all that's plaguing and corrupting his beautiful creation. Jesus didn't come to this world to perform tricks. All of his miracles point to something. His plan to fix what's broken in you and me and in the world. And what he began in Mark 1, we believe he's still doing and will one day complete.